Endurance as a definition is the ability to sustain a prolonged stressful effort or activity. Many animals are characterized with this ability, such as horses, camels, and zebras. As for the non-living things, there are the machines, like cars and robot arms in factories, and typically any machine. As this is what they were built for, to be like humans, but with higher endurance and efficiency. On the other hand, there are the humans. Humans are characterized by many abilities, but endurance is not one of them. For instance, you may be a sports person, but if you think about it, you just can't run from one city to another like any of the previous examples.
Fatigue is a feeling of constant tiredness or weakness and can be physical, mental, or a combination of both. This state is reached when the equilibrium within the body is imbalanced. Equilibrium is generally defined as a state of rest, where there is no change. In the human body, equilibrium plays a prominent role in regulating the concentrations of various substances, notably the pH in the bloodstream. Maintaining a level pH is vital for human survival because enzymes and proteins both rely on pH to function properly. Our bodies like being in equilibrium, as maintaining equilibrium of the human body is vital for survival. Being at equilibrium is not a straight line as many might think. Equilibrium is a wave with crests and troughs, until one of the two states takes over due to external factor that affects the body.
Feedback mechanism is a biological process that occurs within our bodies that causes a decrease in the function of that pathway. A negative feedback loop is in place to ensure that the body has an off switch. Many biological processes use negative feedback. Examples of this are numerous, from the regulating of body temperature to the regulating of blood glucose levels. The disruption of feedback loops can lead to undesirable results. In the case of blood glucose levels, if negative feedback fails, the glucose levels in the blood may begin to rise dramatically, thus resulting in diabetes. Hormones regulate various biological activities including growth, development, reproduction, energy use and storage, and water and electrolyte balance. For hormones, secretion is regulated by the negative feedback loop. For example, when cell X releases hormone X, this stimulates target cells to release hormone Y. When there is an excess of hormone Y, gland X senses this and inhibits its release of hormone X. So if this feedback loop is disrupted, problems arise, varying from just mild fatigue to serious diseases.
At the excited state, body consumes nutrients at higher rate to keep up the effort being done. Nutrients must be fed up efficiently, along with oxygen intake and waste disposal. Just like in a car. As long you have the fuel tank full, the engine temperature not too high, and a good exhaust pipe, the car keeps going. So theoretically, if you can keep feeding up your muscles with the needed nutrients for their work and disposing of the waste such as lactic acid, you can actually run from one city to another without getting tired.